Today we have a battle between Kobeni and Power. Who do you think is stronger? Let's begin. Power starts high due to her blood powers, which makes her a low Devil Hunter level in the beginning. Kobeni is a normal human with a devil contract that we still yet to know. Due to her multiple panic attacks, we predict that she's weaker than a Blood Fiend. Kobeni and Power are companions, but sometimes their relationship goes in the wrong direction. They had a lot of occasions to start a real fight. In the Katana Man arc, we can see that Kobeni sometimes can be braver than Power. In the most crucial moment of the fight, Power ran away, but Kobeni alone was able to deal with the enemies and save the day. Once again we can see a moment when Kobeni is stronger than Power. That's only because Power is not capable of fighting after meeting the Darkness Devil. For most of the time, Kobeni doesn't stand a chance against Power in a regular fight, but there is something that could change the outcome. There are many theories about what could be Kobeni's devil contract, so maybe she is still hiding her strength very carefully. But for now, we can say that Power is stronger than Kobeni. Tell me in the comments if you agree or who would you like to see next.